recording.
We're gonna do a 1v1 duel. First 2 shots, body loses. Be against Antonio and we're gonna win.
And 1 headshot wins it all.
Yes.
The battlefield is across the street, as you can see.
Are you ready?
Let's go out to the battlefield, fellas. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling like I might lose. I'm feeling like I might lose because I got this double shitty ass barrel that I don't even know if this works well. So I'm just...
You said it was working well earlier, but you said you're feeling confident or no?
Yeah, I kind of am.
Look at this battlefield. Say go when you're ready. It is officially started, fellas. The duel. Oh, he missed. He's rushing. Oh, he hit him once. Antonio has no bullets. And Luis is the winner. Luis, how are you feeling?
I just feel like nothing. I just feels good to win.
All right. So
Against a AR. So Antonio has the camera.
what? That's what I'm doing. Wait, where's the other bullet?
It's right there.
Trash.
You just salty that I beat you.
Alright.
I'm kidding, Luis.
Hold on.
Why would they put a sewer right here? Put a sewer vent right here. Ready? Go. Go. Everyone better than him. Ah!
He has no bullets.
He's trying to pick up his money. And he missed it. He grabbed a piece of. He got a piece of this thing. He's trying to shoot
Look at this dude. Justin, you dropped your clip. Shoot him, Luis.
What are we going to?
Are you out? Are you out?
All in my life. She did all my life.
Comeback player of the century right here, bro. I mean, I didn't think I was gonna win, but came out with an easy dub. Good game though.
My tongue blew. I swear I hit you twice in the fucking leg, bro.
Bro, you hit me once.
Why am I recording again? Why am I recording again?
Oh, I found it.
What are you doing now?
Do you guys want to do another Nerf battle? How long have we been recording?
Like 5 minutes.
Right. Oh, we can do another duel. Another duel tournament.
That only took like 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Exactly. Yeah.
All right.
I get to choose this one. Never mind, I want this one.
All right. So, do you want to go first again? Yep. Well, the end of that is over there. All right, guys. So I won the tournament. Luis, how are you feeling?
I mean, I feel alright. At least I got one win.
Yeah.
I gotta go against Antonio again, so I don't know how that's gonna
Antonio, how do you feel?
I'm getting my revenge now.
All right.
How do I take this off?
What do you mean?
Take this part off.
Oh, just twist it.
What I was doing.
Oh my God, team. All you want is that? That's all I have. He can attach it to a gun over there if he wanted to.
I know, I'm trying to take it out, but I don't know.
No, it's not. It is. Let me see.
But I don't know how to take this thing out.
Let me see. Hold it.
Use your teeth. It may have been a different gun. The other side.
No, there's screws. I don't know. I don't think
Just
you
leave
can.
it like that.
Just leave it.
So yeah, guys, we're just gonna 1v1 again, me against Antonio. I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna try to get.
And whoever wins goes against me, the last champion. All right. Comeback player of the year is me. All right. Say go when you're ready. And we're starting. He's looking strong, looking kind of gay, but it's okay. Kind of raining out here. Don't shoot me. Oh, no, don't shoot me.
He's hiding.
Stop shooting me. Get off me. He was hiding behind me. Did somebody hit somebody?
Nope.
Luis is trying to come. Well, that sounded weird. Uh-oh, watch out, Tonio. Oh, why'd you do that?
You missed twice.
You missed it. Luis?
Missed twice.
You better hurry up, bro. Hurry up. He's coming. Wait, he's getting his other bullet. You better hope that you can make some type of comeback. You're a sharpshooter, man. I saw it. You did get you. Antonio's one shot. Oh! They're both one shot. In case you can't see, it's raining. Go, Antonio. Get your bullets. Hurry up, man. I'm hoping that you can win, but I'm also going for Luis, so I'm going for both you guys. You gotta rush him, bro. He's not ready. And
Official winner.
you alright, Sonia?
Yeah.
Good game, mate. How do you feel?
Find your two bullets. Find your two bullets.
Oh, fuck you.
There's one in the street.
That was twice, bro. Better than you.
It's been 10 minutes.
I won full AR. sleep after cleaning. Fighting motherfuckers.
I got that fake zombie elite. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how this thing shoots. Shoots too, so it might as well just go wrong. Wait.
Don't kill the camera guy. Oh snap!
Oh shit! Ah, you thought.
Oh, it's cold.
Time out. What?
There's no timeouts.
I can't do this one. I can't do this one.
So we're gonna restart?
Yeah, I can't do this.
Well, I guess we're gonna restart.
30 minutes. 12 minutes.
It's fine. Our videos use like 20 minutes.
Jesus Christ. Oh, I gotta get my phone. Here, stop recording. No. Alright guys, he has to go get his phone since it's raining. It's not raining that hard, but
Bro, I'm ready to take this dub again. Easy claps, bro.
alright guys, we're gonna start again.
How did your shoe fall off? His shoe actually fell off. What doing? This kid is waiting. You can't use the cameraman.
What? Me?
Who got you?
No.
Oh, you hit me?
No.
Got you. Shot him. Yeah, got him.
I won! I got that free headshot. You want to say?
I still got the first dub, so that's gonna be it for today. We might make another video later. We already did two.
Gold in my grill and I'm riding with it.